Welcome to Freedom Fender, your source for the latest in motorcycle innovation and performance. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Triumph TF250X, the British brand's long-awaited debut into the motocross scene. Built from the ground up, this bike marks a bold new direction for Triumph, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. A purebred motocross machine. The TF250X isn't just a new bike, it's a statement. Designed with input from racing legends, this 250 cubic centimeters four-stroke motocross bike is engineered for championship-level performance. Lightweight, razor-sharp, and race-ready out of the box, Triumph has made it clear they're not here to play catch-up, they're here to lead. Engineered to compete. At the core is an all-new 250 cubic centimeters engine that delivers a strong mid-range and impressive top-end power. The bike's responsive throttle, paired with a slick 5-speed gearbox and premium Brembo hydraulics, gives riders precise control and instant feedback. It's performance you can trust whether you're hitting triples or carving corners. Chassis and suspension setup. Triumph developed a lightweight aluminum frame that strikes a balance between stiffness and flex, giving the TF250X a planted yet agile feel. KYB suspension components ensure top-tier handling, with adjustability that suits both seasoned racers and weekend warriors. Every element has been tested and tuned with racing in mind. Tech and details. The TF250X comes equipped with features like launch control, traction control, and selectable engine maps, putting cutting-edge tech at your fingertips. The attention to detail, from the titanium exhaust system to the factory-fit race parts, shows Triumph's commitment to excellence right from the start. Final thoughts. The Triumph TF250X is more than just a new motocross bike, it's a bold entrance into a competitive field, and it's ready to take on the best. With premium engineering, race-ready specs, and Triumph's legacy behind it, the TF250X is built to make an impact. Thanks for watching Freedom Fender. Subscribe for more deep dives and the latest in two-wheel performance.